Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the best airplane in the world, okay? Okay, first thing that you gotta do is take this little corner and fold it like down to here or something. Like this. Okay, and then like crease it like this. And then you gotta do that to the other and then when you unfold it should look like that. Then do it to the other side, crease it, and it should look like this. Okay, then put your hands here and here, and then put them like together, and then it should look like that. And then like it should make like a triangle thing, so make it like that. Yeah, it should look like that. And then take the top flap that's right over here, fold it up to up here. Okay. And then crease it, and then do the same on the other side. And then okay, yeah. Okay. And then take the top little flap here and put it down to here, and then it should look like that. There's like a little crease right there, and then do it to the other side and it looks like that. And then need to take the little thing that was over here and like fold it, and then it should look like that. But then you gotta I don't really know how to do it that good, but you have to like kind of zigzag something, and it should end up looking like that. And then you do it to the other side, it should look like that. Okay, then flip the whole thing over, and then take like here to here or something, and bend it back like that. And when you do that, flip it back over, and it should look like that with two little things. And then you need to take the end and then fold it up to this line, and then you need to like put your tongue on it and kind of do that so it's easy to tear. Then you need to tear it off, but save that piece. Then after you do that, you need to get that little tiny piece you just torn off and fold it in half, like right there. Then you need to take like right here and cut it halfway right there, and then fold it down so it's like this. And then you need to take the big piece and fold it in half like that. And then fold the first wing, and then you need to fold the other side, and then it'll look like this. Okay, yeah, when it looks like that, then you need to take the little piece and put it like under here, and then slide it in like that, and then it should look like this. And then yeah, then you're done, and you could take out the little flaps under there and pull them out as landing gear, Then there's another little view thingy of like when you're holding it. And yeah, that's how you make the best airplane in the world. See?